Here we have for sale 2016 Kenworth T800 with a Vactor HXX PD12 hydro excavator unit. Has been in an accident, but it runs, drives, and operates. It's a tri-drive unit. Has a Cummins ISX 15, 485 horse, 18 speed Eaton Fuller, has 10,636 miles. This truck was basically a brand new unit when it got wrecked. This is a loaded out unit. We got the walk-in warming cabinet, hot water boiler, 12-yard debris tank, 1,200 gallon tank for the water. The boom works. Tank, debris tank has no damage. As you can see, the boom operates as it should. Rear door hatch open and closes. This unit's only got 394 blower hours. It's got the Hyben 8702 blower unit. It's got a cat pump, model 3560. Easily rebuildable at a fraction of the cost. This unit also has a clean title. No salvage title on this unit. Clean title, ready to rebuild. Hot water boiler tank only has 5 hours on it. This is a tri-drive unit. Give us a call here at Quality Truck and Tire. Let us know if you're interested. Easily rebuildable unit.